You guys might not know this, but India has some of the best dive spots and coral reefs in the world here in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And I'm gonna go diving right now, but this trip has been a disaster since I got here. The day I got here, I went and ate prawns and I got food poisoning. So I was gone for 2 days. I couldn't go to cellular jail. I didn't go to Ross Island where I wanted to film videos. And then I got here to Havelock Island. And before that I said, okay, I won't eat fish anymore. It's too dangerous here. And so I ate fish. And I got food poisoning again here. This time on Havelock Island. So I've been sick for the last 2 days. I've been sick every single day I've been in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It's been a nightmare. Anyway, scuba diving is going to be fun and we're going to go to a really beautiful dive spot here today. Hey guys, so I got a few tips for you if you're going scuba diving here on Havelock Island. The going rate in the morning between 6 to 8 a.m. is 4,000 rupees. And then after that, it's 3,500 rupees. But if they're not busy, you can bargain them down 500 rupees. And also, if you're a beginner, you can't just go straight into scuba diving alone. You have to do like a 1 hour course, and then they'll take you out to a beginner's course, diving course, and you'll be doing it in tandem with somebody else, basically. These guys on this boat that you can see in front of us, they're more advanced divers. So they're taking a boat out to a beautiful dive point out in the ocean where they're gonna see amazing coral reefs. They're gonna see all these beautiful fish and even like shipwrecks and yeah, all this stuff from World War II as well. All right, I've got the wetsuit on and I'm not gonna pan down any further because this one is a real nut hugger, and actually I have one question about wetsuits. Let's go find someone to ask. Yeah. I heard Baba Ramdev say that if you pee in your wetsuit, yes, it'll not only attract fish, but that it'll keep you warm as well. Is this true?
Yeah, true.
Behind me is the beginner's course where you learn to dive, and then they take you out a bit further and you do some proper diving. All right, it's time for training. My friend here is going to train me. Yeah, you're going to do it in English, right? Or Hindi?
Hindi, English.
All right, first we need a weight belt. Then we're going to put this massive tank of air on, basically. This weight belt is going to help me sink.
Between Velcro and tape.
Okay, ये क्या है?
ये pressure gauge.
Pressure gauge है, ठीक है. Yep. Okay. All right, we're getting this on nice and tight, getting tight, and it is heavy. How's it look? To turn around. All right, I'm ready. No, I got a bit more learning to do.
So this is your first time scuba?
Yeah, Havelock.
Okay.
Okay, training is done. It's a little bit daunting at first and it's so weird breathing through this thing underwater. It's really bizarre. You really want some fresh air, but yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Do the course, you'll enjoy more than introduction.
Ah, that was fun though. So which fish did we see?
You see the stingray,
Yeah.
lionfish, and humphead parrotfish, and pipefish, seahorse family,
Seahorse, yeah.
and we saw frogfish also.
Wow. That was amazing seeing all those fish down there and actually getting to be a fish for 45 minutes under the water. But I wouldn't say I'd ever be a scuba diver or take up scuba diving as a sport. For me, it was fun for a while, and then it got kind of a little bit boring. And I think it's because you're breathing in that artificial air, and it's just not that comfortable for, you know, long periods of time scuba diving under the water there. But it was an experience, and I'm glad I've done it once, but I wouldn't say I go and do it again or make it a hobby of mine. I am much happier on a motorcycle. God, I'm so glad to be back on land here. And actually after that I feel a little bit dizzy. I think it's from all that fake air. You kind of get out of the water and you're like, oh my God, fresh air. And yeah, you feeling a little bit dizzy still. Now I'm gonna go back and find Manisha, find Gaurav. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. I'm freaking starving. And if you wanna watch more of me in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, go to my channel page and find the playlist. Don't forget to subscribe. Jai Hind. How was your diving experience yesterday when I wasn't there?
It was better than yours.
Why was it better than mine?
I just know it.
I saw 2 stingrays, we saw
Did you see an octopus?
a shark, an octopus, a crocodile, a whale.
Don't lie.
Yes.
You liar.
No, we saw it all. Where are you going without me?
Breakfast.
Look.
Really hungry.
I bleed for you. I was just saying I can't be a diver, scuba diver full time, and I can't take it as a hobby, man. It's weird.
Why?
I don't know. It doesn't feel good breathing underwater like a fish. Like I'm not a fish. Are you a fish?
Yes, I love being with the fishes, and scuba diving is one of the most fun things I did on this island.
Okay, don't listen to me. Like scuba diving is the best thing. I don't know.